Today I'm going to share how I like to use the Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess Luxury Cream Foundation. Now this foundation was introduced to me over 12 months ago as part of the Clean and Conscious Awards, and it was love at first wear. It is such a beautiful, creamy foundation which provides a buildable sheer to full coverage finish, which I love because I do have some redness and some blemishes that I do like to cover, whilst also still having a nice lightweight finish that doesn't feel too heavy on the skin. And this does just that. I love that it's made with all natural ingredients and it's infused with skin-loving ingredients such as jojoba, shea butter, and rosehip oil. So it's that beautiful hybrid of makeup and skincare. So I'm still getting the coverage and the makeup look that I want, but I'm also getting the benefits of the skin-loving ingredients to give me a really radiant and healthy complexion. The Luxury Cream Foundation is available in 10 shades and it's suitable for all skin types from dry to mature skin. My mum is 70 and she wears it almost every day, and when I tell you, her skin looks so beautiful and radiant and she gets so many compliments when she wears it. A little bit of this foundation goes a really long way and it melts so effortlessly into the skin for a second skin-like finish. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some to half of my face, and then I'm going to show you the difference and how I like to build up the coverage. This foundation can be applied using your favorite foundation brush, a beauty sponge, or your fingertips to melt it into the skin. And that's personally how I like to apply it. I start by using my fingertips to melt it in, and then I take a damp beauty sponge just to soften it and infuse it into the skin for a really nice natural finish. So I'm going to use the spatula and just get a little bit onto the end. As I said, a little bit goes a long way, so don't go too heavy to start. We can always build up later. Then I take it on my fingertip, and starting from the center of the face, I then like to apply it and build up in the areas that I need it. So this wasn't even the whole lot of the spatula, and you can already see how much coverage that is providing. Let's take a little more. As I said, I do get the redness through here, so let's So as you can see, a little bit does go a long way, and even just on the one side of my face, it has created such a beautiful, natural and dewy complexion, and it's also covered the majority of my redness and my blemishes. I could probably build it up a little more here, but overall, it's looking so beautiful and it's just so lightweight. My skin doesn't feel cakey, it doesn't feel like there's a lot of product on it. It just feels like a beautiful second skin finish. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my damp beauty sponge and just lightly press over the top. And again, that's just infusing the foundation into the skin to create a really natural finish. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the other side of my face, and I'll be back to show you the final result. So there we have it, a full face using only the Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess Luxury Cream Foundation. I absolutely love this and wear it almost every day because it does feel so light on the skin, but it still provides me with the coverage that I like. As I mentioned, this foundation comes in 10 shades. I'm wearing the shade Delicate, but if you need any help at all in finding the right color to suit your skin, please either send me an email or a DM and I'll happily help to find the perfect match for you. The Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess makeup range is vegan, cruelty-free and Australian certified toxic-free, so it doesn't contain any nasties and it's safe to use on your skin.